Hello guys, so I have a little unboxing. Before I do it though, I want to show you this little gadget. I got this on Amazon and it's for your labels. So like you've got your address label that has your address on it, you just run it across the top and it totally covers it up and makes it to where you can't read it. So anyway, got this on Amazon. It came in a pack of 2. I want to say it was like $9.99. But anyway, what I got, and I'm sitting here by Lucy. We're getting ready to have our first snow. I don't know if you guys can see her. She's laying in front of her fireplace. It's her favorite place to lay. So I've got it on. We're going to get snow tonight and tomorrow. They're saying maybe 3 inches. So I don't know. We'll see. It was just 70 yesterday. So we don't know if it's going to stick, what's going to happen. But this is, I bought a Sezane bag. So excited. I wanted a patent leather bag and I bought this with my own money. It was not gifted to me. I did not get any help buying it. I paid for it myself. So I'm so excited. I can't wait to carry it. Oh, good. It comes with its own, oh, this is a separate bag. This is super cute for the grocery store. Oh yeah. That's nice. And it comes with a dust cover. Oh, look. It's so beautiful. It's coming out really red on the screen, but it's actually more of like a dark brown, almost like a cognac color. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to carry it. Anyway, wanted to show you guys what I got and I can't wait to carry it. You'll be seeing me style some outfits with it. Hope you guys have a great night. Bye.